In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Whop account and set up your payment preferences step by step. Whether you've used Whop before or you're new to it, setting up your payment details correctly is essential for smooth transactions. Now let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to head over to whop.com and log in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you've logged in, make sure your account is properly verified. This may involve confirming your email address or completing identity verification steps. Having a fully verified account ensures all transactions are secure and that you can access all features without interruptions. Next, let's move on to accessing your payment settings. At the top right corner of your Whop homepage, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the Seller Dashboard. Once you're in the Seller Dashboard, navigate to the Settings section and then choose Payment Settings. This is where you'll configure your payout methods and preferences. When it comes to choosing your payment method, Whop supports two primary options, Stripe and PayPal. If you're using Stripe, click Connect Stripe. You'll be directed to log in to your Stripe account, or if you don't have one, follow the prompts to create a new account. This process includes verifying your identity with details such as your name, address, and bank account information. Alternatively, if PayPal is your preferred method, simply click Connect PayPal. You'll need to log into your PayPal account and authorize Whop to send payments to it. It's pretty straightforward, but remember that ensuring these details are correct is crucial for seamless transactions. Now let's talk about setting your payout preferences. It's important to choose how often you want to receive your payments. Whop offers options for daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. Select whichever frequency best suits your needs. Additionally, you can select your preferred currency from the options available. Take a moment to double check that your bank details or PayPal email are correct, as errors here can lead to delays or issues with receiving your funds. Finally, to make sure everything is set up correctly, Whop may send a small test transaction to verify your account. You'll need to check your Stripe or PayPal account to confirm this test payment has been received. Once you see this transaction and everything checks out, your setup is complete and your account is ready to receive real payouts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have no trouble logging into your Whop account, configuring your payment methods, and ensuring you're set up to receive payouts efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments.